जुम गर्दा त्यो टी-शर्ट कम देखाउनु lipstick.
Lipstick, not lipstick. Woo, guys. Tipna. Talk on bear. La 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 la. Start.
You know what fruit is this?
What is the name of that fruit?
Bell fruit, because its structure is like a bell.
Okay, when you see in bundle. Okay, I got it.
I'll show you the tree right now. I'll show you the ripe one.
Not there, go down. Niche se jana.
This is the ripe one. It's brown in color, and you can come over here.
Cameraman, follow na.
Cameraman, please follow me. And see, there are lots and lots. So we will pluck some few and we'll put down, and that is called local jam.
Local beer.
Yeah, local beer.
What is here?
And the fruit name is, if you don't know, I'll say it. This is bell ring fruit.
Bell ring here. Bell fruit.
Bell fruit.
Woo,
So
woo.
many seeds and with her.
Wow, wow, wow. This is wow. And wow.
What do you think the view along with this sweet
Beautiful girl along with this beautiful girl.
soon?
iPhone soon. Whoa.
For
Celebration please. कति मजा देखेको लम्बु यहाँ. या खाएर देखा त. खाएर देखा न. Please. खाएर देखा न.
So tasty.
Yeah.
More tasty than my egg.
Both sisters please.
I didn't
कस्तो
know.
छ रिभ्यू देना.
It's very, very, very perfect.
Perfect.
Not only this flower, but you see this one? We studied in class 11 and 12. Do you remember?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Is it hibiscus?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Do you know this?
टोपरले बिर्सेछ यार. जान फ्लोर तिम्रो पनि कम्पनी दिन जान. भ्लगमा एक्लै राम देख्दैन हौ जान.
Bye. हुन्छ.
जाले बेहेन जा.
And if you want my younger sister number, you can ask me. And she will text you from her mother number.
आधार कार्ड नम्बर हो.
छोटो भ्लग भिडियो बनाउन थालेको.
वाउ यता यता एकबार. Not you, view is good.
See her. I love her now.
थाले मैले. सुन न. हेर्नु सक्छ होला.
This is a nice couple. The prize is behind this.
Behind where?